Online Business First Product Tips. Starting your online business doesn't have to be complicated. The key to getting started is creating a simple, actionable first offer. In today's video, I'll walk you through why simplicity is your best friend, how to create your first offer, and how to start earning quickly. Let's dive in. Your first offer is the foundation of your online business. It's not about creating the perfect product, it's about solving a problem for your audience and getting started. Remember, perfection is the enemy of progress. The faster you launch, the sooner you can begin growing and improving. Simplicity is your best friend when starting out. A simple offering is quicker to create, easier to promote, and gets you earning fast. Plus, it helps you avoid the overwhelm that comes with trying to make everything perfect from day one. Here are some easy first offer ideas you can create quickly. 1. A short ebook or guide. Solve a specific problem for your audience with actionable steps. For example, how to set up your first email list in 24 hours. 2. Paid webinar or workshop. Share your expertise live. Example, how to build your brand in 30 days. 3. Consulting session. Offer personalized advice, such as 1-hour strategy session for new entrepreneurs. 4. Small service. Provide a simple, valuable service like social media branding for beginners. To launch your first offer quickly. 1. Identify a common problem in your niche. 2. Create a solution that's easy to produce. 3. Promote your offer through social media, email, or even a small ad campaign. 4. Don't wait for it to be perfect, just launch and improve as you go. Let's tackle some FAQs about creating your first offer. What kind of offer should I create? Start with something simple that solves a specific problem. Should I charge for my first offer? Absolutely. Even a small price, like $5 to $30, establishes value. What if my first offer isn't perfect? That's okay. The goal is to start and refine as you grow. Your first offer doesn't need to be perfect, it just needs to provide value. By starting small and launching quickly, you'll build momentum, generate income, and set yourself up for long-term success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on starting your online business. Remember, simplicity is the key to getting started. So go out there, create your first offer, and take that first step toward building your dream business.
For details, visit the website mentions below in description.